Good morning, students. Today I'm going to discuss the assignment 2 and assignment 3 answer key discussion. Assignment 1 answer key discussion I covered in part 2 video of class 6, that is chapter 1 computers and computer languages. Hope all of you understood the first chapter about the computers. What is computer? What are the major components and major characteristics? And what are the different types of computers? How they are categorized based on the size and cost and configuration, how they are divided based on their usages and number of users it is supporting simultaneously. Then also we discussed the computer languages, that is machine level, machine level or low level language, assembly language and high level language. And the first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation, 5 generations of the language we learned. So how the generations of the language are being changed, what are the features are coming day by day, and how they are updating, what the default faults in the generation to generation languages, and how the language of one language is converted into another language with the help of language translators. These are all things which we covered in the first chapter. The assignment regarding the assignment 2, see, I covered the assignment 1 answer key in the part 2 video. Those are completed. Please check your answer key in the assignment 1 and part 2 video. Most of you are doing, and also very few are submitting your assignment in the Google Classroom. Please submit it on time. Then, and make sure that you share the assignment copies in the screenshot so that I can correct and I give the marks accordingly. Yeah. Assignment 2 of marks 15. The first question: name the computers most suited for this task. Complex scientific research. Complex scientific research will come under the supercomputers. Weather forecasting, also supercomputers. Playing games, game consoles are game computers which are the part of the microcomputers. Domestic needs like document preparation, it is microcomputers. Domestic needs like document preparation is microcomputers. Document and presentation creation on the go, that is on the go, that is mobility, portability on a child, that is it's a laptop. Document and the presentation creation on the go, it's a laptop computers which are the part of the microcomputers. Those who written microcomputers also it is correct only, but on the go they clearly mentioned it will come as a laptop. Name the different types of computers. As you know, in the different types of computers, as everyone know, micro, mini, mainframe, game consoles, embedded computers, uh, mainframe computers, as everyone know. Then after supercomputers, then after we listen the embedded systems. So these are the mainly types of computers based on the cost, type, and the number of users it is supporting simultaneously. Only some features of the microcomputers. Only some features, that is it is supporting a single chip processor, can support the single user at a time. Generally operate on electricity. It operates in electricity. It is small size and low cost. So low computing power. Commonly used for the personal application which are used for at their home. That is personal computers. Name some features of the enlist some features of the mainframe computers. Yes, mainframe computers which support the multiple CPUs at the same time, multiple users at the same time, and huge memory capacity, ability to run multiple operating systems also. Okay, can manage large number of users, used for large scale computing applications such as census and for all that applications. Okay, next. Arrange the following computer types in increasing order of speed and power. Increasing order मतलब छोटा से बड़ा होते जाना है. देखो यहाँ पे छोटा वाला देखो लैपटॉप है, उसके बाद डेस्कटॉप है, उसके बाद मिनी है, उसके बाद मेन फ्रेम, उसके बाद सुपर कंप्यूटर. ठीक है, देखो पहले लैपटॉप छोटा, सबसे छोटा, उसके बाद डेस्कटॉप, उसके बाद मिनी, उसके बाद मेन फ्रेम, उसके बाद सुपर कंप्यूटर्स. वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चंस are given, so most of you done, everyone got, but little confusion is there in the complex scientific research and weather forecasting. Some are confused, and document needs like domestic needs like document preparation also, both they written, most of you written micro, it's correct only, but on the go when they clearly mentioned you have to write the what is that laptop specifically you have to write. Clear? Okay, understood. I think this assignment we got the answer key. Now last one, assignment 3 on the generations of the language. Generations of the language, you see, Name the first interactive computer game. It was developed by Space War. Space War is the answer. When was the software used for the first time? The term software is used in the first time is 1957. Most of you written 1957. Which term is used to refer product of a technology still in development phase but released for the testing and evaluation purpose? That is beta release. तो कहते हैं beta release. बेटा रिलीज बेटा वर्जन कहते हैं बेटा वर्जन. आप लोग सुना होगा आपका लैपटॉप और आपका एप्लीकेशन बेटा वर्जन कहता है. बेटा वर्जन मतलब वो स्टिल इन डेवलपमेंट एंड टेस्टिंग एंड एवेल्युएशन के लिए रिलीज कर दिया. ठीक है. Which language is regarded as a low level language? That's definitely low. Machine language, that is zeros and ones, binary language. Which program converts assembly language to machine language? Assembly से machine को convert करना है. इसको कौन कहता है? Assembler. Assembler is the compiler. Interpreter will do the high level. Assembly से machine को convert करने में लगे तो assembler. Machine language is also known as low level language. A program written in assembly language is called mnemonics. A program written in assembly language is called mnemonics. Okay. A program converted into machine language by assembler is called. A program converted into machine language by the assembler is called. A program converted into machine language. A program converted into machine language by the assembler is called object code. Okay. Computer is a machine which cannot do anything on its own. It's a machine. Okay. It's a machine which cannot do its own. Computer is given instructions to work accordingly. इसको instructions देना चाहिए तभी तो काम करेगा. ऐसा कि ह्यूमन जैसा काम नहीं करेगा, अपना ओन से थिंक नहीं करेगा. A computer directly understands the binary language or machine language, that is 0 and 1. A computer directly understands the binary language or machine language. 4GL stands for fourth generation language. That's I know. Dash language is made up of set of mnemonics and codes, that is assembly language. A source program is written in high level language. A source program is written in high level language. Fourth generation language are machine independent. Fourth generation language are machine independent. मतलब कोई भी मशीन में काम चलेगा, इधर से ये प्रोग्राम उधर से वो मशीन से लेके जाओ वो काम करेगा. In computer terminology, compiler refers to a language translator. It refers to language translator which converts the high level language to machine level language. In the computer terminology, compiler refers to the language translator. Okay. The process of writing specific instruction in a computer language is called. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer is called a programming. The process of writing specific instructions in a computer language is called simply programming. Okay. Dash language consists set of binaries, zeros and ones, that is machine language or the low level language. Machine language or low level language. Dash language consists of sets of binary numbers, zeros and ones. Again, that is only same question I repeated. That is binary language or zero machine language or low level language. A dash is a set of instructions which tells the computer what to do. A dash is a set of instructions which tells computer what to do. A program is a set of instructions. Program is called set of instructions which tells what to do. Okay, total 15. How many questions? 5 plus 15. 20 questions. Okay, I discussed all the questions of assignment 2 and assignment 3. Assignment 1 you will get from the part 2 video. The next chapter will start in this week only. At the end of the week I will share the video. Okay, file management, which is very simple, which is one of the features and functions of the operating system. Please do assignments and submit in Google Classroom on time. Most of you are submitting, but only few are submitting. The views are very high, but the assignments submission is very less. So please submit it on time. Okay, I am not giving the due time also, so that you can do whenever you get the free. Okay, very simple topics I am uploading, and I am giving very simple question and answers which are useful for your. Definitely whenever you face any competitive exam, nowadays computer literacy is mandatory. Definitely these are all things will be useful for you. Okay, don't worry, don't think that it is not a main subject we should not learn. Okay, it's having 2 exams is there. Okay, we should learn as a basics we should know the computer as a literate. We should know all the basics. What are the terms are used in the computer terminology you should know. Okay, clear? Thank you boys. Thank you. Thank you for listening. Stay safe, stay home, stay prepared. Signing off. Thank you.